How do I transfer my phone number and contacts to the new SIM card when swapping it between phones?
Welcome everyone. In this video, we're going to guide you through the process of transferring your phone number and contacts to a new SIM card when swapping between phones. This will ensure you don't lose any vital contact information in the process.
Can I keep my number when changing SIMs?
Yes, you can. The process of keeping your phone number when changing SIM cards is often referred to as porting. The key here is to contact your service provider and inform them about your intention to change SIM cards. They will guide you through their specific process, which typically involves providing some personal identification information and your current phone number.
How do I back up my contacts before swapping SIM cards?
To prevent loss of contact information, it's essential to back up your contacts. This process may vary depending on whether you're using an iPhone or an Android device. For iPhone, go to Settings > Your Name > iCloud. Toggle the Contacts slider to the on position. Tap Backup Now. For Android, go to Settings, Accounts and Backup and Restore. Tap Backup Data. Select Contacts, and then tap Backup.
How do I import contacts to a new SIM card?
Once you have backed up your contacts, the next step is to import the contacts to your new SIM card. For iPhone, insert your new SIM card. Go to Settings > Your Name > iCloud. Toggle the Contacts slider to the on position. Your contacts will automatically sync with your new device. For Android, insert your new SIM card. Go to Settings, Accounts and Backup and Restore. Tap Restore Data. Select Contacts, and then tap Restore. And that's it. With a few simple steps, you can easily transfer your phone number and contacts to a new SIM card. We hope this guide has been helpful. If you have any other tech-related questions, feel free to ask in the comments below. See you in the next video.